Yeah, okay, so Mitch is just finishing up the windows here. So you've got our adhesive wrap around the window frame for water intrusion protection. We've got some 5/4 by 4 fascia board here. We need that to back our brick mold, which is going to be like this. So this time we are using PVC brick mold so that it won't rot on us like the old figure jointed garbage did. And it's going together very nicely.
Put it on so that this slopes towards the house. Just kidding. Yeah, I was wondering how that. I wonder how that one is. Well, the rough side's out, so
It's not narrow enough, Mitch.
What?
what? Well, that flashing's not all the way in. There's
Yeah, that flashing is still being worked
You
up.
didn't finish it then.
Hey, it's lunch.
Here,
time. You got a chisel?
Is it lunch?
Yes. Here, let the master do this.
It never got pulled out.
That's funny, Dave. Your side's good.
Yeah, we kind of stopped halfway in motion on that one to do the other side. So there you go. Things are looking very nice here. The grass is coming in pretty good. You see how the new front porch is looking?
We'll see if there's any nails in the way.
And the windows are coming together nicely. So then we will paint them out. Very good. And then up on the soffit here for the gutter, I need to get some
There's something wrong here.
5/4 by 6 to put up there to attach the
Well, that's what the thing is. You
gutter
can't-
to.
You just can't see them.
Yeah.
So then we've been filling the gap here with quick set, rapid set mortar. And so you can see there's just a little bit more that has to be done here. So things are moving along very nicely. All right.
Are you sure you want to put that back in?
Yeah, I'll figure it out. All right, so here we go. We have Mitch and the unknown mechanic have been busily painting doors. This is the pocket door to the bathroom. See the roller hardware on top. And these are some of the other doors here. New baseboard heater that goes there. Okay, so the trim is looking good. They got out here and painted everything up nicely, making good headway. Painted the ceiling paint a flat white. Oh, hey, you know what? We got to put that ladder in.
Oh, which ladder?
Yeah. And then, so here is the exterior paint. So I am just experimenting with that green color. It doesn't show very well here. And then for the door, this is the color that I'm going to use for that. So it should look pretty good. That's one coat. You can see streaks in it. Then we mortared the gap on the porch here and have it all filled with rapid set mortar. Then I took a grinder to the porch and cleaned off all the lips of concrete where 2x4s used to be. And so that is working very nicely, and I'll just show you the thing I used for that. Right here, it's a Makita diamond cutter. $79 for that little 5-inch wheel, but it sure works good. And of course, you see, we strongly endorse Makita tools. We use them a lot, and very heavily and roughly, and they just keep working for us. Okay, well, shut that front door. Okay, alarm is on. We are ready to split. Got your phone? Oh, he's already out. Hitachi, another tool that we really like. Finish nailers, framing nailers. And just to show you, there's more Makita and more Makita. Okay. And the other thing I just did too is I put a 8-inch bolt, no, that was 6-inch bolt here going into the house, and I hit the stud on that, and then we have a 2.5-inch bolts all around the top there. And then here's another 6-inch lag going into the house and a 2.5-inch lag on top. And then these here screws here are Simpson number 10, 2.5-inch little lag screws, and they work good. So got the yard being watered right now, and hopefully we didn't kill the grass from walking on it. Okay, that's it. See you on the next video. And tomorrow's a big day. I have to tear out all the countertops, and a countertop person for Granit countertops is going to come and measure everything, and so everything needs to be taken out of the kitchen. So you see the countertops we have now are Formica, and the one just behind the stove there, those two are tile. Those were added recently for a stairway down into the basement. One of the best additions I ever did to the house. And this is the old bathroom. There's a new tub and tile in there, and that'll get a new countertop. So this here is more or less the quick design I sent to the countertop people so they could get an idea of what to do. And these were my first two choices for Granit countertop. The Granit people I went with, they had this stuff in stock, and I could have gotten that at a big discount, but it just didn't go with anything. It's too orange and black. There's no whites or any other colors. It is made by Dow Tile, which is really good, but it just did not play into any color scheme. So I went down and looked at it, and it in different lighting conditions it does look different. You have to look at the stones. So this is a series of alternative counter slabs that they had me take a look at, and I liked both of these, but they were still just a little on the dark side, and I'm trying to promote a light kitchen. But for someone who wanted a good countertop, they were giving out some really good deals on counter surfaces, slab prices. Okay. So anyway, I talked with the people and expressed my concerns and how much I wanted to have a lighter counter. So they made some calls and got a hold of some people, and it looks like I am going to be able to get my installation done before September 5th. And this is the countertop that we're going to go with. Nice light, and it's got some nice colorations. It'll work. So tune in for tomorrow's video when we tear out the countertops and have the template or the measurements taken. It'll be an interesting thing to watch. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I do hope you are learning something. We'll see you on the next video, and I would appreciate any likes, comments, and always a subscription if you are interested in this kind of video. Alright, see you on the next.